Hello, dear students. In last class, we have discussed Bayes theorem regarding some of the questions that we have discussed. In this class, we will discuss about the same Bayes theorem related some of the examples. In your book, NCERT book, there is a example number 18, which I read now. You be concerned in your book. Listen first, example number 18. Suppose that the reliability of a HIV test is specified as below. Meaning, कोई HIV टेस्ट के जो रिजल्ट्स हैं उनकी रिलायबिलिटी मीनिंग उन पर ट्रस्ट कैसे किया जाए, तो उनके जो डाटास थे उनको यहाँ नीचे दिया गया आपको. दैट इज गिवन डाउन साइड. Of people having HIV, 90% of the tests detect the disease, but 10% go undetected. Of people having HIV, there are two types of result. 90% detect the disease, meaning HIV positive. Right, HIV positive, detect the disease, whereas 10% are undetected, meaning HIV negative. Of people having HIV, and if they are having the diagnosis of HIV, then there the result of HIV diagnosis, that is 90% they are given HIV positive test, and the test result are given 10% are HIV negative if they have HIV. Right? Now the next part, of people free of HIV, there is a test results are 99% of tests are judged. 99% of the tests are judged HIV negative, and the 1% are judged HIV positive. That is the data given from the question. ठीक है. Later on, there is written from a large population of which only 0.1% have HIV. There is a large population in which the number of people have HIV, that is 0.1%. that is 0.1%. लार्ज पॉपुलेशन है इन विच एक्चुअल HIV कितने के हैं, 0.1% के. और इस लार्ज पॉपुलेशन में ही एक्चुअली HIV कितनों के नहीं हैं, तो 1 - 0.1%. सिंप्लीफाइड करोगे तो 0.1 डिवाइडेड बाई 100, डेसिमल रिमूव तो 0, देन 999 over 1000 that does not have HIV. नंबर ऑफ पीपल हैविंग HIV, और यहाँ का नंबर ऑफ पीपल डज नॉट HIV. In a large population, the number of people having HIV, that is 0.1%, and in a large number of population, the number of people does not having HIV, that is 999 over 1000. This 1% is write down 0.1 over 100, so this is 1 over 1000. Right? This is the probability. So the probability of not have large population में जिनके HIV नहीं है, and this is the probability of large population having HIV. ठीक है. Now come on question. One person is selected random, given the HIV test and the pathologist report as HIV positive, that is given. पैथोलॉजिस्ट ने क्या रिपोर्ट कर दिया टेस्ट देने पर? पैथोलॉजिस्ट रिपोर्ट हिम और हर क्या रिपोर्ट कर दिया? HIV पॉजिटिव, दैट इज गिवन, राइट. और गिवन को क्या लिखते हैं हम? बाय द बेस थ्योरम वी विल रिप्रेजेंट इट इन फॉर्म ऑफ कैपिटल A. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट द पर्सन एक्चुअल हैज HIV? द पर्सन एक्चुअल हैज HIV, that is described by E1, and the E2, the person actual does not have HIV, that is E2. So the probability of E1 is person actual has HIV, large population in which the person having HIV, that is 1/1000, and PE2, that is not having an HIV, 999/1000. There are two cases we have described here. Now we will write the formula of the Bayes theorem. The question is written on the board. Listen again, this is the very important question of the Bayes. The people having HIV 90%. Whenever the test is conducted, in the test out of 100%, the 90% are resulted to the HIV positive, and rest 10% are resulted into the HIV negative. कब? जबकि उनके HIV था. Understood? Now of people free of HIV, meaning लोगों के HIV नहीं था, उस ग्रुप के 100 पीपल्स का अगर टेस्ट किया गया, इन आउट ऑफ दी 100, 99 आर गिव्स HIV नेगेटिव, बट 1% आउट ऑफ 100 दे आर एक्चुअली नॉट हैविंग HIV, बट द रिजल्ट ऑफ टेस्ट इज टू बी डिक्लेयर्ड देम HIV positive. And the large population in which actually how many number of people they have HIV positive, that is 0.1%, and does not having HIV, that is 1 minus 0.1%, the result is 999/1000. Now the question is capital A, that is given. Pathologist report him her as that he is the HIV positive, that is capital A. And the E1, the person actual has HIV, the person actual has HIV, that is 1/1000, and the person does not have HIV, that is 999/1000. Now we will require some other things. What is the requirement? A by E1 and A by E2 for the formula of Bayes theorem, right? What does it mean? E1, the person actual has HIV, and on testing it gives HIV positive. Person having HIV, but whenever the test is conducted, the result of this is to be HIV positive. Of people having HIV positive, the result of the HIV positive are at 90%. So the probability of A by 90/100, and of people HIV नहीं है तो भी HIV पॉजिटिव आ रहा है, that is 1%. This is the data, this is the data. Now apply the formula. E1 E2 you have, A by E1 A by E2 you have. By reverse probability we will calculate E1 E2 we have. Now we will work on the formula. For solving the base, we require the formula. The formula is PE1 over A equal PE1 multiply PA by E1 over PE1 multiply A by E1 plus PE2 multiply A by A2, right? Now simplification if we do, then what we are getting, क्या हमें मिलेगा? Now we will work on it. E1, the probability of E1, the large population having HIV positive, that is 0.1%, and the A by E1 90 over 100. Downside same plus PE2. How much is E2? 999 over 1000 into PA by E2, that is 1 over 100. Solve it by simplification. You can simplify it over 90 plus 999. On simplification you are getting 9 9 ja 18 1 1089, simplified by 3 or maybe 30 or 3 3 ja 9, 3 6 ja 18, 3 3 ja again 3, 1 2 1. This is the answer. 10 over 1 to 1 of this question will be the answer. 90 over 1089, or we can say 10 over 1 to 1 approx. This is the question. Next question. I think this question is clear in all of the students. There are next question. Next question, example number 19. In a factory which manufactures bolt machine, a factory is there which manufactures bolts. For manufacturing of the bolts, it is to be required of 3 machines. The name of machines are A, B, C. Which manufactures the bolt? Machine A manufacture bolts equal, manufacture bolts equal 25%. Same machine A, machine B manufacture bolts, that is 35%. Again machine C manufactures, the bolts are 40%. Of their output, 5, 4 and 2% are respectively defective bolt. Of their output, defective bolt, of their output, of their output, of their output, defective bolt, that are defective bolt are 5% from the machine A, same from the machine B 4%, 5, 4 and 2 from the defective produced by C, that is 2%, 5, 4, 2. A bolt is drawn from the product and is found to be defective. A bolt is to be drawn is drawn random, is drawn random from the production, from the production, and is found to be defective, and is found to be defective, is found to be defective. Now come on E1. What is the event? What is the probability that it is manufactured by the machine B? It is manufactured by machine B. It is manufactured by machine C. It is manufactured by machine A. Right? Now come on question. There is a machine which manufacture boards respectively. It is written machine A produce board that is 25%, machine B produce 35%, machine C produce 40%. Of their output, defective bolts are 5%, 4%, 3%, 2% respectively. Understood this? A bolt is drawn random from the production and is found to be defective, that is capital A given. A bolt is to be drawn from the production and it is found to be defective. निकाला गया बोल्ट क्या होगा? Defective होगा. Now, what is the probability that it should be drawn from the machine B? So the B is to be represented by E2, and where E1 it is manufactured by the machine A, E3 it is manufactured by machine C. So now the question is clear. We will describe the probability. यहाँ E1 it is manufactured by machine A और machine A की manufacturing कितने % है? 25. यहाँ हम probability of event E1 that is 25/100, or it is manufactured by machine B 35%, which is denoted by 35/100, and the manufacturing by machine C, which is denoted by 40%, is indicated 40/100. Now the next part is A by E1. That is, the bolt is manufactured by the machine A and it is to be defective. Manufactured by A and it is to be defective. The bolt is manufactured by machine A and it is to be defective. That is 5%, which is equivalent to the 5/100. Next, A over E2. For the production, for the manufacturing, the machine is being used, that is B, and the production you are getting, that is the bolt you are getting, that is defective. The percentage of defective which is manufactured by the B, that are 4/100. Similarly, by C machine you will find like that. Now describe the formula and calculate it. The formula is, क्या formula होगा? अब आप इसको solve कर लेंगे. E2 over A, the probability of E2 over A, जो आपको क्या करनी है? कैलकुलेट करनी है. अब बेस से वर्कआउट कर ले. दिस इज इक्वलेंट टू द PE2 इंटू PA by E2 over PE1 into PA by E1 plus PA2 E2 into A by E2 plus PE3 into PA by E3. So calculate it, place the values, simplified it in a proper manner. Come on, next question. Next is, there is another example, that is example number 20. Example number 20. A doctor is to visit a patient, meaning डॉक्टर पेशेंट को देखने के लिए जाता है, फ्रॉम द पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस, ऐसे वो जाता रहा है, और द रिजल्ट इज टू बी वट आर द दैट इज इन क्वेश्चन. It is known that the probability that he will come by train, by bus, by scooter or by other mean of transport are respectively like this. Probability is given if the doctor comes by train, bus, scooter or by other mean of the transport, the probability is given. That is respectively 3 by 10, that is he comes by train. 1 by 5, he comes by bus. 1 by 10, he comes by scooter. And 2 by 5 is the probability if he comes by other mean of the transport. There are 4 probabilities are given. Doctor who visits the patient come by scooter, by bus, by train or by other mean of the transport. Clear? Now, the probability that he will be late are, तो लेट कब होगा? Before this he has to take a vehicle to reach there to meet their patient. तो पहला काम क्या होगा? उसे व्हीकल लेना है कि कौन से व्हीकल से वो पेशेंट को विजिट करता है और वो लेट आता पहुंचता है, राइट? तो different modes are given and their corresponding probability is also given, and the probability whenever the mode of this transport is being used by the doctor for reaching late, that is also given. So this is the conditional probability. I think this question is clear in your mind. If he comes by train, he reach late. If he comes by bus, he reach late. If he comes by scooter, he reach late. If he comes by other mean of the transport, he reach late. These are the 4 parts that is given. P, A by E1, A by E2, A by E3, A by E4. If last, but if he comes by other mean of the transport, then he will not be late. That is given 0. When he arrives, he is late. That is given. जब वो आता है, कौन? Doctor reaches at the place of the patient, he always late. That is the capital A. What is the probability? He comes by train. The train will be the given in the first part, so the event is to be described by E1. E1, he comes by train. E2, he comes by bus. E3, he comes by scooter. E4, he comes by other mean of the transport, and their probability is given P1, P2, P3, P4 in the question, and A by E1, A by E2, A by E3, A by E4 also given in the question. So use Bayes theorem to solve this question. I think every student should be clear regarding this question. Hope that he will try and do their best effort to solve these questions. Be with proper understanding. Next question. A man is known to speak truth. A man is known to speak. A man is known to speak truth 3 out of 4 times. Full stop. He threw a dice. He threw a dice and report that it is 6. And report that it is 6. Find the probability that. Find the probability that it is actually 6. That it is actually a 6. This is the question. A man is known to speak truth 3 out of 4 times. What does it mean? कि एक आदमी ये जानता है कि वो सच कितनी बार बोलता है. Whenever he speak 4 times, he speaks 3 times truth and 1 time be lie. So the probability of speak truth, that is 3/4, and the not speak truth, that is the 1/4. He threw a dice and report that it is 6. That is given. Capital A, that is he threw the dice and report that it is 6. And the E1, that is it is actually 6. It is actually 6. Or E2, it is not a actually 6. Right? Actually 6. ये रिपोर्ट करता है डैश को थ्रो करने पर कि एक्चुअली 6 है, तो 6 आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है? 1/6. और 6 नहीं आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है? 5/6. सही है क्या ये? बताओ. इट इज एक्चुअली 6 और इट इज नॉट एन एक्चुअली 6. क्लियर? अब A/E1 meaning it is actually 6. He report it is a 6. right? कह रहे कि 6 आने पर 6 ही रिपोर्ट करें तो प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी होगी? 1. 6 आने पर 6 ही रिपोर्ट करें तो प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी होगी? 1. तो क्या सही है? नहीं है. 6 आने पर 6 ही रिपोर्ट करे तो इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी यहाँ कितनी है? ये कब होता 1? जब वो अपने 4 टाइम्स में 4 टाइम्स सच बोलता तो ये कितनी होती? 1. तो ये अब कितनी होगी? 3/4. और 6 के आने नहीं आने पर भी 6 रिपोर्ट करे तो कितनी होगी? 1/4. तो अब आप क्वेश्चन में फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करें और प्रॉपरली क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर दें. समझ में आ गया क्वेश्चन? 6 के आने पर 6 रिपोर्ट करे, इट मीन्स वो सच बोलेगा. और सच कितनी बार बोलता है? 3 टाइम्स आउट ऑफ 4 टाइम्स. और यहाँ पर 6 के आने पर वो 6 के नहीं आने पर 6 बोलता है, इट मीन झूठ बोल रहा है. दैट इज टू बी द 1/4. नाउ प्लेस द वैल्यू इन द क्वेश्चन एंड सॉल्व इट इन ए प्रॉपर मैनर. तो स्टूडेंट्स, आप बेस के क्वेश्चन अब स्टार्ट कर दें और अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को व्हाट्सएप पे शेयर करें. डे बाय डे अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, देन सॉल्व इट इन ए प्रॉपर मैनर. Thank you very much.